Oh, what a lovely day for riding. It's raining. It's pouring. That old man is snoring, and the rest of the story. Oh, lovely. Oh geez, the number of cars that are driving without their headlights on in weather like this is unbelievable. Really, you should be able to legislate against stupidity.
Look at that. Can you see that? 4:47 in the morning, AM o'clock. Yuck. Oh well.
Hi ho, it's off to work I go. Well, there's hardly anybody else on the road at this hour, which is not surprising. I think most normal people are either in bed or just getting into bed. Oh well, not us workers though. We're gonna fly the flag. It's 5:15 in the morning and I'm still on my way to work. And it's still raining. In fact, it's raining really heavily now. Yuck! The only reason I'm riding in the rain is because I'm getting paid to. Well, not getting paid to ride in the rain, just getting paid when I finish riding in the rain. But I certainly wouldn't do it for the love. Why am I in the bus lane, I hear you ask? Well, I didn't actually hear you ask that, but you know what I mean, because I can't hear you. You know how I said it was raining heavily before? Well, it's raining even more heavily now. Much more heavily, much more heavier. Much heavier. Much more rainier. Much more. I just went through a puddle I couldn't see. And all I can say is I'm glad I brought a spare pair of socks with me. Yuck! My boots didn't work too well. I think my wet weather pants stopped working about 2 minutes ago because I can feel my bum getting wet. Oh no, I've got to sit in that all day now. I think the trip was about 5 minutes too long. Well, that was fun, boys and girls. Yuckaroonie. Slightly nicer weather than last time I did this. That blue stuff apparently is called sky. And there's this really bright thing over my right shoulder called the sun. And that was creating something over my left there called a shadow, apparently. These terms really haven't been used a lot lately, so I hope I've got them correct. I'm going to do something radical here. It's the only way to get the thing to change. Thank you, that's better. I have a subscriber who lives in this area and they mentioned it to me the other day that they live in this area. Woohoo, an Australian subscriber, yay! I can't remember their name, but I'll write it across the bottom as a shout out. Hello, if you're around here. I can't wave because I've got one hand on the clutch and one hand on the throttle. But consider myself waving to you and consider yourself waved at. You know the area, you know where I am, you know where you live, but I don't know where you live, and that doesn't matter. So hello YouTube subscriber who lives in this area.